Hello, smart kids. Welcome to Miss Esther's Corner. Today we will learn the face for sounds, words, and simple sentences. A, A, J, J. O, O. I, E, E. Or. Kids, please listen carefully. I'll do it first and repeat after me. Come on, let's get started. B, E, B, B. Please repeat. B. Now, let's read the sentence. The bee is buzzing around the flowers. Let's repeat. The bee is buzzing around the flowers. Fantastic! B, O, T, B, O, T, boat, boat. Say it again, please. Boat. The boat sails on the water. Let's repeat. The boat sails on the water. A, rain, rain. The rain starts to fall. The rain starts to fall. Can you say it again? The rain starts to fall. I, pie, pie. Please say it again. Pie. I like an egg pie. I like an egg pie. Wonderful. J, O, G, jog, jog. One more time. Jog. My mom jogs fast. My mom jogs fast. Great job! O, D, road, road. Can you say it again, please? Road. The car is on the road. The car is on the road. Amazing. S, O, E, P, sleep, slip, slip. The boy slips on the bed. The boy sleeps on the bed. Good job. K or corn. Corn. The boy got the corn on the cob. The boy got the corn on the cob. Wonderful! Let's review again. B E B B. Say it again. B. B O T. B O T. Boat. Boat. A N. Rain. 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 P I Pie. Pie. J O G. Jog. 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 O D. Road. 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 S L E P. Sleep. 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 K or corn. 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 Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.